Beckley furnace.
Take a look at the side of it. You can see the rock is in with the iron. It's all sort of mixed in, and it's all kind of different colors. Hop in there. How many can you get in?
I'm not gonna
Only if you want to. Don't go in there if you don't
Everybody
want to.
eventually can go. That's 2, 4.
going.
Oh, 6. That's
Keep
nothing.
going.
7,
Shoulder to shoulder.
10, 11. No. Maybe that's it.
Everybody standing up. Squeeze in.
Okay.
Squeeze in. There's more coming. Oh no, we're going to have to get another flex.
Look straight up.
Can we get everybody? Go ahead. Come on, you can squeeze tighter than that. Can we get one more? Can we get one more? 2 more. We get 2 more. Ian, step in there. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Is that true?
Show us your slag again. That's a really good piece. Hannah's got a great piece of slag. Slag is the waste product created when they make iron. Isabel, you have any slag? That's so. I'm going to have you about a water tower.
To be cast into the pigs. On other days, they would head over to the slag pile and they'd go through the new slag trying to find that iron to put back in the furnace. And you can tell the difference if you hold a piece. Oh, don't you love this? The polychrome.
Whoa!
Glass.
Look for that.
Look at that.
It's so shiny.
See the colors? The different colors? Take a look. If you feel, oh, absolutely. The slag is waste. You're welcome to take what you think your parents will allow. But you can feel the difference.
Found a blue piece? Wow.
I found 2 blue pieces.
Very nice.
He's talking about
Lots of slag here. See it all?
I found 1.
It's like volcanic. Let's see, Hannah. Oh, nice.
Let's look at this one.
Oh, beautiful. Look at this kid's climbing this hill. It's a huge hill. Hey, Hannah, let's see the piece you found. Oh, Hannah found like the meteorite looking. Oh, it's so light.
Yeah,
So cool. Right. It's like the foam.
Looking at the color.
Okay, all these kids are in the slag hunt. There's some kids all the way at the top. This hill's probably about, I don't know, 80 feet, 100 feet tall. Everybody's looking for slag. Alright, we're hoping there won't be an avalanche. Lime rock. Check this out. That is amazing. It's like the Coliseum. Who's up there?